Hello there.
What's going on, guys? How you doing today? Wow, that's really bad. Oh man, its screen is here. Let's fix this. My cam somehow got all jacked up there. Okay, that's better. What's up, guys? How you doing? Leland here, bringing you another live stream. We're going to be doing TA requests. If you guys want to take a look at a coin, go ahead and you can do that in the form of a super chat or a super sticker. You can use those down below in the chat box. It's a minimum $10 contribution. You can do it in the form of a super chat or a super sticker, or you can use my one up coin link down below. You can tip me a crypto, or you could do, it's like Bitcoin, Ethereum, pretty much whatever is acceptable. I think through Coinbase. That's one of the things on there. But how you guys doing? Welcome in here. I know a lot of you are probably like, oh my God, we're bleeding. We're going down. It's crazy. This is nonsense. And I'm here to tell you that there's nothing to worry about. And I'm going to show you why there's nothing to worry about. We're going to go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin real quick. See what's going on over at Bitcoin. Let's see. Total drop of where we've been. So we were up here, $65,000. The lowest that we hit over here was $47,000, and we dropped 27%. Not really a big deal. Pretty normal, pretty standard compared to the last bull run that we were in. We go ahead and pull out a 2-year ×5 moving average. We can see, let's drop this over to a weekly. You guys can clearly see if you watched the stream before, and you guys have already kind of know what's kind of going on. But these things happen. It happened multiple times through the 2017 bull run, having multiple drops of 30 to 40%. Let's see, this one right here was about a 40% drop. This one right here was a 37% drop. And it's just a continuous thing that happens within a bull run. It's just healthy. We can't just go straight up forever. That would be very unhealthy. And we're taking a pullback. And one of the areas that I'm looking for us to go down to is going to be between that $44,000, maybe $46,000 range. I don't think the sell-off is over yet. I still think there is quite a lot of room for us to be moving down. But if we were to take a look at the RSI on the weekly on Bitcoin, you guys can clearly see, let me just make sure that you guys can see this. Yeah, let me pull this over because my camera. So you guys can see in the previous bull run, that we had. We had this RSI that was back here, and this is where it started. Let's pull this up just a little bit so you guys can get a good visual. Here's the entire bull run of 2017. We broke all-time highs, and you can clearly see when we become overbought, we come over to this territory around the 86. Hey, what's up, Daniel? Thank you for the 10, dude. Really appreciate that. Thank you so much. You wanted to say, hey, Leland, would love to take a look at BNT. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Let's go. We're going to check out BNT. We're going to check out Bitcoin and Ethereum first before we move on to the requests, as we are just getting started here. But no worries. We will go check that out. So these were major support levels. We have a 52 and a 60 on our RSI as support. And you can see that happen back here, right here, 4 touches. And then when we started entering a bear market, and if you were to follow that cursor all the way down to here, you can see that we got below it and it was resistance for the longest time. When we went into a mini bull run back over here, we went into a mini bull run. That is when we got above that level. And then we continued our bear market, our normal bear market, until we broke all-time highs, which was back towards November, December of 2020. So you can see that these levels right here are being held up really nicely. So we have the 52 and the 60. Here's the 60 on top, support here, support here, support here. So all support out there. You can see we're in between those levels right now. So we're in between the 52 and the 60 on the RSI on the weekly, guys. This is huge. I'm expecting there probably is going to be a little bit further of a dump, not too much more. Like I said, I think we're going to be going down to about 40. I'm going to go ahead and say in a range between $42,000 and $46,000 is where I think Bitcoin is going to be going. And yes, you guys already know Bitcoin dumps, altcoins dump as well. Everything bleeds, but these are the opportunities. These are the times to be accumulating, to be picking up some more cheap coin before we have our next push to the upside. And I really do think the next move for Bitcoin after this little bit of a correction that we're taking is going to be massive. It's going to be pretty big, especially because when we look back here, we look at history, it doesn't have to, replicate itself, but it does rhyme. We're hitting those support levels down here with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is just wanting to decide, is it going to come down here and hit the 52? Well, currently we're sitting at 57, so it's not too far away, which is why I still think we can go down to those levels on Bitcoin. When we catch that support, and notice how I say when, it's not if. When we catch that support, that is when you're going to want to start to be leaning in on whatever coin that you're looking at. Will have to be, it'd be more tailored to what you want to look at, but if you're in Bitcoin, these are the times that you are going to want to be buying. You can see that we're taking our bearish cross right now between the 12 and 26 day moving average. Today is the first day that we are printing our red bar on the histogram, and it has been months. The last time we printed a red bar on the histogram was September 28th of 2020. So this is the first red bar that we've had since then. The price back then at that time was around $10,000, $9,000. So we're sitting at a very nice $48,000. We've been doing a little consolidation, little corrections up here. Totally fine, totally normal. Have no problem with it whatsoever. Gosh, chat's going like crazy right now. Let's see if I can try to catch up. I'm going to just read the few newer ones that came in. So everyone needs to just relax. Gosh, yeah, dude, if you're new into crypto, you probably are freaking out. You probably are feeling really terrible, taking those emotional hits. I get it. I used to be there. I used to be like you too. Don't worry. There's nothing to worry about. We'll recover. We'll go back up. The bull run is not over. Let's see. We got Greg E. Carl R. Decentralized has nothing to do. Okay, you guys are talking about your own thing. We got RSI on the daily. Bitcoin looks lovely. Yeah, daily's cool. I like the daily. It looks great. We're at the 30 right now. Actually, we're below the 30. We're sitting at 28. And typically, I do like to look at the dailies when I'm looking at trying to take positions. The weeklies are even better because it gives us a better holistic view of what's going on. You can see the hidden bearish divergence that was developing for the longest time. This is something that we've been talking about on this channel for a while. We've been waiting for Bitcoin to kind of do these things. If you guys didn't notice that, we did have positive momentum moving to the downside as price actions moving up. That's called hidden bearish divergence. So this was impending. This was inevitable, something that we were looking for. But with this nice dip that we're having right now, and we're having the RSI sitting below the 30, and we're having the stochastic RSI sitting, all the way down around the 0 area. Anything below the 20 is implying that, in a while, probably a week or two, we're going to be having a shift of momentum that's going to be shooting us back up. I really do think on the weekly chart, we are going to be coming down on the RSI. like we were looking before, and we're going to be catching that support. We're not fully there yet, but we will get there, and it's going to be pushing us up. So nothing to be worried about with Bitcoin. It's beautiful. I love when Bitcoin dips because I could take these opportunities to go ahead and buy some more coin of whatever coin that I want to take a look at. And if you guys want to take a look at a certain coin, you want to do a TA request, it's a $10 minimum contribution. You could do that in the form of a super chat or a super sticker down below, or you can use the OneUpCoin link, which is in my description. You can send me crypto and we can check it out. Anonymous donated $10. Thank you, Anonymous.
1000000834 BTC.
And he did it in Bitcoin. Perfect. He used the OneUpCoin link. That's what's up, dude. Thank you so much. And let's see. So he wants to take a look at Harmony. You got it, man. Let's go ahead. Add one. I've been wanting to take a look at one so bad, dude, because it's like such perfect opportunity to buy one. And we are so bullish about one, guys. And we're going to show you that in a second. Let's go ahead and move on over to Ethereum, guys. Have you noticed that Ethereum has just been not taking the hits whatsoever? Ethereum has just been said, you know what? I don't care. I've got 3 or 4 ETFs that are in Canada right now that are exploding. $138 million on the first day was put into that ETF. People who have 401ks that are working can actually transfer their funds, or they can actually have all their funds go into this ETF. Guys, this is massive. This is huge. There's so many improvement protocols that are going to be coming along the way on our phases from 0 to 4 all the way over to 2.0, switching over from proof of work over to proof of stake. Guys, I'm telling you, even right now, the price of Ethereum is so cheap. It is so cheap. It's not even funny. I do have, let's see, I have a breakout target of about $18,000 ETH. And guys, we're on our way. We are on our way over there. Like, look at this. I did this when we started getting the breakout, over here. Okay. So we have this huge asymmetrical triangle. Let me move it up a little bit. Huge asymmetrical triangle. This is an Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. Okay. So we have a support, a resistance, support, resistance, test that that support one more time. We broke out. Okay. We came back. What was once resistance is now support. We tested it as support right there, and we're getting the resumption off. That creating that in stands for nice. That's a buy. This is a buy right there in itself. I've already been accumulating even back, within this area over here. But eventually, guys, one Ethereum is going to be worth 18% of one Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin goes to $100,000, one Ethereum is going to be worth $18,000. That is my projection. That's what I think we can do by the end of the year. I know. It sounds crazy, but is it? Is it that crazy to think that Ethereum can be worth $18,000, $20,000 one day? No. I even think that Ethereum can take over the market cap of Bitcoin. Absolutely. That's very possible. 100%. Okay. Anyways, guys, just wanted to share a little bit of the charts with you guys, show you what's going on with Bitcoin. Oh, Jesus, guys, Ethereum is just, it's crazy. It's amazing. And, we are, let's see, we have about 1 hour and 42 minutes before we close our weekly candles. So hopefully I'm going to be live up until that time so we can see the weekly candles close. What are these weekly candles going to do? Can we look at some Japanese candlestick patterns that are going to be kind of telling us what's going to be happening within the market? Absolutely. Let's see. Let's go over to the chat over here. Carl R. What else are y'all buying right now? About to hit up DOT. Oof, you might want to watch the stream, Carl. You might want to watch the stream before you start buying DOT. Good project, great project, but I'm just saying there's probably better opportunity elsewhere. We have I Am the Fox. Polygon is holding tough. It sure is. I am actually in Polygon right now. I took advantage of buying the dips. What else we got? We got Michael. Hello, Michael. How you doing? Welcome in here. What else we got in here? Athanosis. What's up? How you doing? I don't know how to pronounce your name. Paul, what's up? If we dump under 40K, is bull market over? I don't think it would be over. I don't think we're going to be going below 40K. I really just don't think that's going to happen. There's way too much support for us to be going below 40K. No, I don't think Bitcoin's going below 40K. Straight up. I can just say that right now. And if it does go below 40K, unsubscribe from me because I'm total trash. But I almost guarantee that Bitcoin is not going to be going under 40K ever again. You'll be lucky if you see 42,000, which is what I'm hoping for. I'm hoping that's what I have that line down there. You can see our 21 EMA is right here. And that's a huge support line as it's support within the structure too. We take it over here. Look at this support. We had a previous resistance. Okay, resistance right there. Then we flipped it into support right there. That's what I'm going to be looking for. If it goes under 40K, that'd be crazy. Absolutely insane. I don't think it's going to happen. Jeremy. Yo. He's always in here. Welcome back, Jeremy. Good to see you here. Michael, happy Sunday, buddy. Hey, happy Sunday to you too, man. I've just been chilling today. It's beautiful outside. Got all the windows open. It's just it's been a nice warm day, but not too nice for my miners. They're running a little hot right now. And currently having some more power delivered to the house. We had an extra 150 amps that's going to be actually it's already installed. We had the trench dug. We already have the cable. The line is run. It's going from the house, got a breaker, and we just need the city to come out and the inspectors to come check it out so they can hook it up to the transformer out in the street. Then other than that, we are good to go. Then I'm not going to be running any more miners. That's just to get AC in here. So I have like 6 giant AC units in there and a mini split that's going to be pretty much trying to cool off everything in that room because it just gets too hot. It's like 81 degrees in there right now. Way too hot. Okay, anyways, moving over to Bancor, we did get a nice bounce. Look at that. You're sitting right there at the support line. Let's go back. Let's go back to a daily and let's see where that support line was coming back. Dude, I don't know if you could have an any better looking of a chart. I just don't. I don't know. This is going back all the way to 2019, right? We have this huge support line, huge trend line right here acting as support / resistance throughout the entire thing. Look at this massive resistance, massive resistance. That was not going to be easily broken. Okay. We couldn't do it. We came back, still couldn't do it. Still couldn't do it over here on Bancor. And then we broke it. We broke through it. And now look what it's doing, guys. Does this not just look normal to you? Does this just not look beautiful? Look at this. We did get the breakout initially. We came back, we got that retest, and we started taking off. Well, Bitcoin started dumping. You guys already know that. And we are running back into that line right now. Is this a time to be buying BNT right now? I don't know. Let's go take a look. Well, from what I'm seeing right here, our RSI, we haven't done this since November of 2000, which was months ago. We're talking half a year ago. We're sitting right now at a 32. And you know that when you came over and you hit a 32, that we popped up in the charts like crazy. Anytime you hit the 30 on a chart, you're going to be popping up. Okay, so this one went down below the 30, and here was that bottom right here. So we're going to measure it, okay? We're going to measure it. We're going to go from the bottom to the top. How much was that? 310%. Holy crap. Okay, here's another one. Went below the 30 on the RSI. We're going to check out this one right here. From the bottom to the top, 112%. Yes, sir. That's beautiful. What about this one back here? Look at this one. Gosh, it's only happened 3 times within the past year. This has only happened 3 times. Well, now 4. Now 4. But look at this one. Okay, so we have the liquidity crisis, right? This is when that disease came in, kind of screwed everything over. But look what it did. Like, it was below the 30 at that time. And if we do a measured movement, I'm actually going to have to scrunch this up a little bit. But if we go from the bottom to the top over here, I mean, we're talking over 2,000% that it went up. So opportunities are here. Opportunities are here. If you guys are worried, if you're scared, why? Why are you scared? You should not be scared. You should not be like, oh my God, my investments are going down. I'm going to lose a bunch of money. This is the time. This is the time to be buying right now. Okay, go back to the daily. And then I want to take a look at the, boom, right here, MACD. So we have positive or negative momentum continuing to move to the upside. You're having 12 and 26-day moving average, which are in their negative right now. Plus, you have your stochastic RSI that's sitting below the 20. Guys, these are the times to be buying. There's no other better time to be buying. People come in here and they watch my stream and they're like, hey, Leland, should I buy right now? And we're at somewhere like this within the charts. We're somewhere like this over here, right? And then we're somewhere, yeah, about like right here. And I'm like, no, these are not the times to be buying. These are not the times to be accumulating any coin right now. We're overbought. Our stochastic RSI, we're showing our movement that's going to be moving to the downside. The price is too high. We don't have a correction. No, these aren't the times to be buying. But that's the thing, is people only come in and watch my stream when things are pumping and they're going up, and then I make videos and there's hype, right? Not a lot of people come in here and start watching my streams when the prices are down and they're not feeling too good about it. And they're just kind of like, I don't care. But this is probably the most important time to be watching. Most important time to be watching. Okay. We know this is a good buy area. We know this is a good buy area for a number of reasons. We have 4 variables. We have the RSI, stochastic RSI. Our MACD is showing us that we're way down there. You know, we have negative momentum moving to the upside, and we're running into our trend line literally right now. This massive trend line that has gone back here from 2019. We're talking over 2 years ago. Over 2 years ago, we're coming back and we're testing it for support right now. Okay, you don't just have a huge move to the upside like we have right here in such a short period of time. We're talking 6 months, guys, okay? Let's say you bought BNT down here for 51 cents. Let's say you got it at 51 cents and you're still holding on to it to this day. And it went to the top over here and you hit almost $10. Okay, well, that was an 1,800% investment or a gain that you had within there. Do you understand? There's a little bit of a consolidation. There's a little bit of a retest that's going to be necessary for us to go back and touch. So I'm perfectly fine with this. I love it. I have no issue with it. But look, what it's coinciding with the 0.5 on the Fibonacci retracement. So we have this Fibonacci retracement that's been acting as a support. Hey, what's up, Jace? Welcome back, dude. Good to see you in here again. Thank you for the 10, man. Really appreciate it. You want to take a look at GDB? You got it. DGB, adding it to the list right now. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate it. Thank you. So two things could happen, right? The price could continue to dip. Bitcoin could continue to dip down to $42,000 to $46,000, wherever in that area, and that will send altcoins down a little bit further. So if we break below this trend line right here and the 0.5 on the Fibonacci extension, then we're going to be going down to $4.36, which is going to be taking you to the 382. I do not expect for that to happen. I swear, I don't think that's going to happen. Not even a little bit, but we have to prepare for it. Hey, what's up, Ring? How you doing? You're new. Welcome, dude. Thank you. Thank you for joining. 10. Let's see. What's the ANKR? You got it. ANKR, adding it to the list right now. Boom. Got it up on there. Thank you, sir. And so running into that trend line, it's beautiful. We did have this triangle that we were moving into, but that got negated because Bitcoin dropped, so it doesn't matter anymore. But we are still within our boundaries. We're still looking really good here. I believe this is probably going to be a bull flag at this point. Did we measure this? I don't think we ever measured this. Let's see. Let's check this out real quick, okay? So we have, I'm going to have to zoom in just a little bit. We'll go to 4 hour. Go to a 4 hour. And let's see what this thing is doing. Okay, so we have our resistance right there. We're going to take this guy, get it pinpoint accurate. We can actually get rid of that. Okay, point to point right there and right there. Okay, that is our resistance. Now it looks like we are forming some kind of a bull flag at this point, possibly an ascending or a descending wedge. That's possible too. I'm pretty comfortable with that right there. So it could be a bull flag. It's a little bit more slanted down, but nevertheless, we could take a measured move out of this. Jesus, that would be huge. That would be a huge measured move. That might be a bull flag. It might be descending wedge. It's just going to have to, okay, well, let's do both. Let's do both. Let's see what kind of movements that we're going to be taking. Where's our base? Okay, so we need a flagpole and we need the flag. So nope, I don't like that base because we've retraced more than 50%. If you're trying to take a measured move from a bull flag, and I'll show you how to do that in just 1 second, and it retraces more than 50% of the way down, then it's no good. In this case, this is 42%. So we're going to have to find a new base for this bull flag. But I mean, it's pretty big. That's kind of hard to say. Is this the base right here? You know, like, is that a base? Is this the base? Or is this the base? It's kind of hard. I don't think it's going to be this one up here because it's too short. It's too, too short timed. Maybe it'd be this one. You know, I'm not really sure. Either way, it doesn't really matter because what we need to do is we need to catch the support. Catch the support right here at this $5.60 area. And let's get that resumption off, come back up to the $6.90 area. And if you can break above $6.90, that's going to be putting you back in between the 618 and 786. That's exactly what we want to see, guys. This right here is the zone. Okay, for Bancor, we need to get above $7. If we can hold $7 and we get above $8.68, goodbye. It's going to be gone. It's going to be taking off. You're probably going to be going up and hitting $16 after that, maybe a little bit more. Probably like $20 for sure. Billy Bob's Fireworks. Hey, dude, welcome in here. Good to see you in here. I read your book. Excellent read. I can highly recommend everyone reading it. Thank you. Thank you for reading my book. Yeah, I hope you learned some things. I know coming into the live streams, I'm going to show you how to do the TA, but you're going to learn why in the book. And connecting those two together is just, you'll understand charts, you'll understand crypto, you'll just have a better feeling. I promise you, you'll never start buying randomly ever again. Like if you get some money, you get paid and you're like, I'm going to go buy crypto, and you go buy it right at that time, you'll never do that again, because you're going to understand it. You're going to know where to go, like the buy areas are, right? You don't want to start buying something when it's already overbought and then we start, dropping back down. You're like, oh my God. And you start selling it like a noob. That happens to us. Okay. I was a noob too at one point. I did the same thing, but this is how you're going to learn. This is how you're going to grow. If you guys are interested in reading my book, links down below for Amazon, or you can get it through Barnes & Nobles as well. It's only $12.95. It's not a hard read whatsoever. Very easy. You can come ask me questions in the Telegram or the Discord, and we'll definitely I can help you. I can help you. Show me your TAs. Hey, how does this look, Leland? TA's looking good. Oh, it looks like crap. You're doing it wrong. Let me show you. Definitely here for you guys. So yeah, right now, for me, this is not financial advice. This is where I would buy. I would definitely be buying Bancor right now at these levels. And what you do want to wait for is going to be that resumption. You are going to wait for that resumption, but come on, dude, it's crypto. Okay. I don't think you're going to be able to get a Bancor that low again, unless, and I keep saying this on every single stream. We've been talking about all these coins, and if Bitcoin takes a dump, that's it. We're going to be going down. You're going to be hitting much lower levels, and you are going to be coming down and hitting that $4.40 or $4.36 on Bancor. And then we're going to be looking to try to get back above this resistance, which was support before. But guys, this is a huge support line. Like I said, huge support line. Okay, we're spending way too much time on this coin, and I'm jacking it up. So right there. Hey, what's up, Killian? Welcome back, bro. Good to see you in here. Thank you for joining us. Would you be shorting right now and buying future dips? No. Or would you just dollar cost average? Yeah, I would dollar cost average. If you got extra cash, which you should always have extra cash in the reserves for when you want to buy. That's what I do. I don't just go all in on Bitcoin or Ethereum or whatever coin I'm in and just pray and hope. No, I'm looking for these strategies, and I'm slowly adding, right? I'm not just saying, oh, it dumped, go buy all in. No, I only put like 20%. And then I go look at charts. I go see what I want to find. If I see something else, like we're going to take a look at one coin after this, and I'm going to show you. You're going to see. That's probably going to be a coin that I'm going to be buying here pretty soon. It's not quite time. It's not quite time. It could almost not be quite time for BNT either, right? But who cares? Even if it goes down just a little bit more, who cares? You know that on this chart, we love to touch the 21 EMA. That's a really good support level for us. It's been a really good resistance level. And for crypto in general, taking long positions at the 21 EMA has proven to be effective. And you can make a lot of money when you times 2, 5, 10, whatever you want to do. We're almost down there, and that's at the $5 area. We're only 62 cents away from that. But even if it were to drop from, that bottom of that wick down to there, that's only 9%, I don't care about 9%. I don't know about you guys. I don't care about 9%. I will take a buy in right now. If it drops down 9%, cool. I don't care. I'll wait for it to go back up because I know the rewards are going to be a lot more. We've already been so patient when it came up here and it hit $10. Well, it's sitting at $5.60. It's not a bad time to buy. Not a bad time. Okay. You're never going to have the perfect trade. You're never going to be able to buy the absolute bottom. Don't think that you can do that. I can't do that. No one can do that. I don't know anyone who could do that. That's godly. Okay. You got to have a bot put in place. And when the price dips, it's going to buy it up really quickly, but you got to know exactly where those levels are going to be. Okay. So that's what we're looking for. Too much time on this coin. We got to move on. So we want to hold that $5.67 area support. We're wicking down right now, but that doesn't really mean much. I mean, that's just the wick. Okay. We want the bodies to be closing above that level, which then I'll be totally fine with. Okay. If you don't hold that, then yes, you are going to be going down to $4.36 is going to be the next area of support. Not a lot of support in between that area. Okay, let's say we get the bounce now and we start moving up. Well, great. Like we said, you got to break $7, and then eventually we need to break out of this resistance that we have right now. I think once you can do that, it's going to take a couple of weeks, guys. It's not going to happen overnight. It's going to take a couple of weeks for the recovery for Bitcoin, for altcoins. Alt season is here. But yeah, this is normal. This is normal for alt season. Okay, that's about it. We have our supports, we have our resistances. We know what we are gonna do. And now we're gonna be moving on. We're gonna go over and check out one coin. If it's one coin that I want to buy right now, it's one. It's one coin because it's insane. Absolutely insane. Okay, I have two. Let's take the one, look, traded by TradingView. Which one do I have charted? We're going to go to this one because I believe this is the one I charted before. Look at this structure, okay? Look at this structure.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
This is 100% beautiful, okay? I'm not saying it's a guarantee, but just looking at this flag right now, it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're still in a bear flag, or bull flag, excuse me. Still in a bull flag. We took our measured move from our base all the way to the top. We're still within that channel, and it's beautiful. When we start breaking out of this resistance that we have up here on Harmony, okay? When we start going back up and we break out and we come back for that retest, guys, the breakout target for the sucker is going to be 32 cents. 32 cents. That from where we are right now up to 32 cents, we're talking 250%. Over triple your money. Okay. Are you listening? Hello? Is this thing on? Do you hear what the fuck I'm saying? This is crazy. Okay. Look at this. We're going to go to a daily. Look at the setup. We have hidden bullish divergence, strong hidden bullish divergence. Okay. Negative momentum moving to the downside as price actions moving up in a beautiful bull flag that we're awaiting to break, Not only that, okay, we've had a retrace. We've gone down and we've been sitting below the 20 on the stochastic RSI for weeks. For weeks, we've been sitting down here waiting. It's like shaking up a 2 liter of Coke. You're shaking up and you're just leaving it there. And you're just kind of like, and then you take off the cap and the thing's gonna freaking explode. Okay, that's exactly what this is telling me right now. And to put on top of it, we're sitting at the 30 freaking 2 on the RSI on the daily. Are you listening to me? Hello, guys. If you want a trade setup, okay, this isn't financial advice. I'm not telling you what to do, but if you want a trade setup right now with this freaking coin, right now, I don't even care what price it, like potentially what we can go down to now. We're so set up. It's so set up. Let's see. The last time that you were at this level, the last time was September of 2000. Okay. Let's go back and let's go take a look. Excusez-moi. You were back here, right here, and you had this massive consolidation. Okay. One really wasn't doing that much up until the beginning of this year, just like altcoins, right? A lot of these altcoins that started coming in, Bitcoin started going up above $20,000. Money started flowing into crypto. People want to start making better money. They're like, I don't know if I want to buy Bitcoin because it's already so high up, and I probably won't get a good return out of it. You're right. You're late. Sorry. Yeah, don't go buy Bitcoin if you're new right now. But you have opportunities in altcoins, which is what we're seeing, which is why we're seeing this alt season, which is why we are seeing Bitcoin dominance drop. Bitcoin dominance is dropping, and the flow of money is going into altcoins right now. And you're like, but Leland, altcoins are going down. How are we in alt season? Right here. Simple. Right here on one. Beginning of the year, alt season. Boom. Huge move to the upside. Well, how much was that? Let's see. From here to the top, talking over, only 6,800%. Only, whatever. Some people wish they could like 200, 300 times their money, or, have gains 300. I mean, even 1,000% gain. In your profile, whatever. Okay, this is still alt season, okay? This is still alt season. We're consolidating. Beautiful. It looks gorgeous. This is exactly what we should be doing right now. It's so healthy. It's so beautiful. We're so set up. I don't know what else to tell you guys other than this coin. Like, this is the absolute lowest that you're ever going to be able to get one ever. Ever. You mark my words. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't care. Write it down. You'll see. Leland said you'll never be able to get a 9-cent one coin ever again. Record it. You'll never be able to get it ever again after this. Be done. Okay. That's it for one coin, guys. This is my projection. This is where we're going to be going. That's it. I don't know what else to tell you guys about this other than where we're going. Okay, let's move on. Let's go check out DGB. The DGB. How's everyone doing today? Hold on, can we just have one more outro for one coin? It's the God coin. It's the God coin. It's harmony. It's peace. It is one. And it is so ready to take off. Okay, let's move on. DGB. I think this was one of those newer coins. Actually, no. Is this right? DGB? No. What is this? I was gonna say this does not look like crypto. Not even a little bit. What are you doing over here? Hold on. We did DGB the other day. Oh, here it is. Yeah, right there. Got it. There we go. Gotcha. Cool. Jeremy Evans, what's up? How you doing, bro? Good to see you in here. Osman, hello. GRT? Yeah, we could take a look at GRT for sure. David Collins, hello. NMR. Dude, NMR is doing so good. Compared to everything else right now, NMR is doing so good. Christopher Miller, that's how I'm feeling too. Like SKL, under the dollar, you good? Or Bitcoin Cash under 1,000. Do not buy Bitcoin Cash. I will slap every one of you. No, I just, yeah, it's a terrible performer. Terrible performer. I'm sorry if I dogged on your coin. I'm sorry, but let's be honest, okay? Bitcoin Cash is trash. It's a trash coin. I can show you real quick of why I think it's trash. It's just a terrible performer. It's a terrible performer. Why would you buy that? Holding since 3 cents. Oh, wow. Holy crap, really? That's insane. Good for you, Jeremy. That's what's up. And Michael, what's up, dude? How you doing? Okay, let's move on. Big dump. Okay, this week has been brutal for the altcoins. We know that. We totally know that. What's going on the daily? What's going on within this chart? Beautiful support that you're holding up over here at the golden mean ratio. Looking really good. That was about 10 cents. Holding 10 cents as support. Nice. You did wick below it. Not too far down below. You are having a consecutive higher low over here. You had a low and then a higher low right there. Not too big of a difference, but still showing a little bit of that momentum that's kind of stopping. It's like, it's like, you know, the cartoons and Looney Tunes, when they would stop, they dig their heels in the ground when their toes were up and they're just skitting across. I haven't watched cartoons in so long, but anyways, so yeah, look, you got denied at the 2618. That's okay. Touching the golden mean ratio as support. Awesome. What are you doing? Where are you going? I don't know what's going on. Gotta take a look at this. Okay, this is on the daily. You had your bearish cross on between the 12 and 26 day moving average right there. You are forming some kind of hidden bullish divergence right now. You're below the 20 on the stochastic RSI, sitting at the 49 on the RSI. Not bad. Looks pretty good. Are these buy times? Maybe. Wow, you know what? This might be a really good area. So you can see we have really beautiful support. Stupid cameras in the way. Move that over. We have really beautiful support right here on the RSI. You can see it's been resistance too. Right back here, you fell below it. Boom, resistance, got rejected, came back above, support. And hopefully we can catch support again. But even in the past, it has been acting as resistance and support all the way back here. Check this out. Resistance. Support, resistance, support, resistance. You see how it's a beautiful line, and actually it's been respected throughout its entire life since August of 2000. So not bad, DGB. Like, that's a good data point right there. So we're coming in really close to that support line. Hopefully if you can hold that line. I don't see why you would go below it right now, just because that's sitting at the 45, and in the price action previously before that, you know, was pretty flat, pretty stagnant until we hit that July, or I'm sorry, yeah, January, until we hit January, and then we started moving up. Well, how good of a performer is this? Okay, let's check it out. So we got the first right here. We're going to take the price and go up here. How much should we go up? 646%. Meh. It's not bad. It's not the greatest, you know, it's not good either, you know, but it's not terrible. That's okay. Did you see one coin that we were just looking at that was up 6,800% versus just 600%? You see what I'm saying? So not the best performer. Okay, this is probably one of those coins, if I wanted to be a little less risky within my trades, that I would get into. If you want to be a little less risky, then yeah, you want to jump in coins like this. You want to jump in coins like NMR, because they're not going to have those huge fluctuations like that. And you're also not going to be making as much either. But If it makes you feel safe at the end of the day, that's fine. That's cool. So even on the daily, like I said, developing hidden bullish divergence, price actions moving up, having a little bit of a healthy correction below the top, dude, it's just looking so good. So hold this support right here at the golden mean ratio. Totally fine with that. It is possible that you could fall back down below, go to the previous all-time high, which is the 100% on the Fibonacci retracement right here, which would be 9 cents, almost 9 cents exactly. That was a previous high that we had back here. A lot of resistance running into this line, resistance, you broke out of it, then turned into support. So that's possible. You could go down to that level, but let's be honest, you're not that far away from it. You're not that far away from it right now. You're only like 12% away. So even if it went down and touched it and you bought right now, meh, who cares? Who cares, right? It doesn't matter. It's only 12%. That's not a big move. I mean, for some people it might be, but for it's crypto, guys. Come on. Like I said, we just saw Harmony go up like 6,800%. You know what I mean? Like buying right now it's not a bad idea. It's not a bad idea to be buying these coins because, and I'm going to be saying this about a lot of coins right now, just because of where they're on the charts, because of Bitcoin taking its dump. And I feel like a broken record player saying the same stuff over and over. But if you break below that, I think that's the absolute lowest that you'll be able to go right there. But if you hold the golden mean ratio, which is that yellow line right there, you're not really worried about the 1414. The 1414 is very light resistance. Actually, I don't even think I should have it within my Fibonacci's, but I leave it there anyways, just so that I can have a midpoint between the golden mean ratio and the 1618 up here, because those are really the big important ones that we need to focus on. So I think once you can get back above 11 cents, maybe that 12 cents area with the 1618, you'll catch that as support and you'll be going back up to 16 cents. Okay, this is going to take some time, guys. There's going to be some kind of consolidation pattern that's going to be happening in with over here. If you're like me and you like to wait until those consolidation patterns are broken, whether they break to the upside or the downside, before you take your positions, then I mean, do it, do that. I like to take my positions when I'm looking within a bull market and find the absolute lowest. Okay. Yeah, it could go consolidate. It could do whatever it's going to do. It could break out to the top, come back for the correction, and then, get the confirmation right there. And that's when you would want to buy. But, let's be honest. I don't know what that's going to look like. I don't know how long that's going to play out. And, I'm seeing that this is probably going to be the bottom, unless Bitcoin goes down to $42,000 to $46,000. Okay, keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. But you don't go all in right there, right? You do a portion. You do 20%, maybe 25% of your reserves. So it's not like, you buy a ton and then it goes down and you're freaking out even more. Take your time. Okay, you see it drop, you buy. If it drops a little bit more, go buy a little bit more. And then you'll start to see the momentum. It'll start slowing down. There'll be a level of support that you'll be hitting within the chart and you'll know, okay, I think that's the bottom. Bitcoin's already dropped 30%. I don't think it's going to drop anymore. We have huge support over here. You add all these things up. You come over to the live stream. You watch me. We do this and we make informed decisions on our own. We make our own decisions and what we're going to be doing. So you can make money. That's why we're here, right? I want everyone to make money. I want to make money. I want you to make money. So those are the levels. Actually, we're spending a lot of time on these coins. We got to get moving on. A little slow today, so that's why I'm taking my time. But if you guys would like to see a coin, you want me to do a TA on a coin, you can do that. It's a minimum contribution of $10. You could do that in the form of a super chat or a super sticker down below and let me know what coin you want to take a look at. Either way. So hold right here, 10 cents. 10.2 is what we're going to be looking for. And then once you get above 11.7, almost 12 cents, you're going to be looking out. There's not a lot of support or not a lot of resistance up until that 2618. You can see that clearly within the charts over here. I mean, we just kind of went straight up over there. You might run into like a little bit of resistance somewhere within here. Nothing significant though. It's nothing that it's not going to be able to take out, especially when you break 12 cents. After that, we'll be going to 16 cents. Once you break 16 cents, after this move is done, after this recovery is over, Bitcoin starts moving up and we start going up to the $75,000, $80,000 area for Bitcoin, which is not if it's going to happen. It's when it's going to happen, guys. Then I think we can be looking at a 24-cent DGB at that point. It's going to take some time. Okay. Might take a couple months, maybe a few weeks for that to play out. But eventually, I'm thinking that's what we're going to do. That's if we hold our current trend right now. We need to hold this current trend that we are on. And let me just go ahead and draw that out for you real quick before we move on. And we're going to be moving over to ANRK. I know it's a very popular one, but we have this beautiful trend, okay? Beautiful trend, something like right about, right about now. It's beautiful. You can see that it's been broken and been holding and holding and holding all the way back here since December of 2000. So if you hold that line, and let's just extend it out. Let's say you hold that all the way. Well, you know, by the latest, I'm thinking by July. You'll be able to hit 24 cents, 25 cents. It's going to be a major resistance. It's going to be a quarter, and people are going to want to see that gets up to that area. Okay. That's like 250% away from where we are right now. My math is right. My math is wrong. It's 137% away, but either way, looking good. That's what we're going to be looking for. We have our supports, we have our resistances. That's it. Let's get some more data under our belt before we can kind of talk about this anything more. Other than that, nice double bottom that you're putting on the 4 hour right now. Beautiful double bottom, showing that golden mean ratio as support right now. So very good. Hey, what's up, YCP? How you doing, bro? GRT, you donated 10 Canadian? Is that Canadian? I think it's Canadian, right? Yeah, 10 Canada. 10 Canada. What part of Canada are you from, bro? I want to, I was listening to a story the other day of a guy telling me that it's actually a delicacy. So what they do is like, there's this like weird fish on the east side, and in Canada, I can't remember. I think it was Newfoundland. And it's a delicacy. They take these fish. This is gross. Okay. If you don't want to listen, you might want to plug your ears, but they take the fish tongues and they fry them like very quickly, and then it's like a delicacy. They're like really salty and apparently really delicious. I don't really know. But hey, anyways, hey, YCP, I know it's $10 Canadian, but the $10 does not equal 10 US dollars, dude. So if you want to see that, I'm gonna have to see the extra portion for the USD, because those two they're not equal. They're not equal. Greggy Leland, it's funny when you say right about chong. Yeah, dude. It was my high school biology teacher who used to do that, and I stole it from him. His name was Mr. Cox. We used to laugh about it at like 15 years old. His name's Cox. Christopher, Compound and Maker have been performing very well against Bitcoin. What's the deal with that? It's an altcoin, dude. Lower market cap, of course. Anything is really right now during a bull run is going to be outperforming Bitcoin. I mean, look at Ethereum. It's outperforming Bitcoin, and it's just because of market cap difference, right? We have such a huge market cap with Bitcoin, and then there's not a market cap bigger than Bitcoin right now. So of course they're going to be. I know that there's only 100,000 MR or MKR and only 10 million comp. Yeah, dude, has to do with market cap. You know, how big's the market cap? How much can it move? Because if you got like a $500 million market cap and you have a big investor come in with, you know, $500 million, then he's going to double the price. That's why we get these moonshots and they go up 100%. Happens. Definitely happens. What's the difference? You're going to have to look that up, dude. You're going to have to look it up. Yeah, I think you're right. I think it is like $3 or whatever. But yeah, let's make sure we're doing it. We're equating it to, there you go. I think that's right. 12.5 Canadian would be right. Appreciate that. Okay, let's move on. We have taken a look at DGB. Looks good. I have no problem with it. Not even bearish. Not even a little bit. Okay, let's move on. NRK. Wait. ANKR. I always get that. There you go, sir. Thank you so much. Appreciate the difference there, but you got it, dude. Yeah, we can do that. Absolutely. Adding it to the list right now. We'll do that one next for you. Okay. ANKR. What's going on over here? Okay. So if you're looking at this chart right now, I haven't charted this in a few days or whatever. Someone had requested it. A lot of people are liking this coin. I believe it's available on Coinbase and Binance and a bunch of other ones, but notice that I have a bunch of support levels put in over here, because this is kind of what I was expecting for ANKR. I was hoping we could hit one of these support levels. Luckily, we did not go down and hit 9 cents. I'm really happy with that. ANKR did come over here and hit 11 cents, which was one of the projections that I did have with it for our support level. Looks like we did wick a little bit lower than that, going all the way down to 10 cents, almost exactly 10 cents as a support level. But nevertheless, we have more data right here, and we also have the data. So currently sitting between the 11 cent and the 12 cent, almost like 12 and a half cents resistance line right now. Okay, is the dump over? That's something that we still need to talk about. Is Bitcoin done? Is it going to keep going? It could definitely keep going, and I think it should. I think it should go down. That's why I'm talking about all of these different opportunities. Oh, we need to go to a daily. Go over to a daily. Okay, so this one's looking really good too. I think this is going to be the bottom, especially because you are putting in some kind of like double bottom formation almost, right? You have this wick right here. Double bottom formations are really bullish charts, really bullish charts. This is what eventually we would try to go to. But you have a little bit of a bigger wick down here, but look at this daily wick. Okay, look at this daily wick that came all the way down here to 9 cents, and then it got bought all the way back up to 12 cents. So that's a pretty big candle. It's a Japanese candlestick pattern that could be a bullish hammer, or it might be, let's see, that was 44% candle in a day. So I think fluctuated 44%. That typically tells me it's a reverse signal. That's typically telling me it's a reverse signal, and that's a lot of buying. A lot of buying within that wick that we have right there, and I'm thinking this is probably going to be the bottom. I think that's going to be the bottom for now, and the reason why I say that is because look at your RSI, okay? You can't really see it that well. It's pretty flat. Is it flat? There's a slight curve to it, but either way, you can see how your stochastic RSI sitting way down here at the $2.50 over on the right here on the stochastic. I keep repeating myself, sorry, on the stochastic RSI. So you're below the 20. That's what we care about. You're below the 20. You have been you had that bearish cross that was way back here. That's fine. You're coming back down. You're starting to create that negative momentum. Hey, what's up, Justin Cornwell? $10. Thank you for the 10, dude. I really appreciate that. Love the 1TA holding vets slash VTHO mix. Can you hit up VeChain compare? Yeah, dude, for sure. Slash compare. So wait, you want me to do VeChain to USD or VeChain to VTHO? Let me know. I'm gonna add it real quick though. VeChain doing things. VeChain's also one of those other coins that does really well. We haven't looked at it a lot on this channel though. I wish people would look at VeChain more. Okay, but either way, same thing. Okay, same thing. Negative momentum moving to the downside. At some point within the MACD over here, you are going to be taking a cross between the 12 and 26 day moving average. It's going to take some time. Okay, remember, indicators are lagging. Price action is king. So price action will start happening first before we see those indicators play out. We could start moving up right now. And these two will not cross yet. They still wouldn't cross. It'll take some time. It might take a few days for them to cross. So we don't really want to wait for the indicators. Just kind of give us like a lead into what we're going to be buying. Kind of lets us know what's going to be happening within the market. So you don't wait until you get the cross. You don't wait until you start getting back above the 20. You don't wait when, you know what I mean? Like you want to catch those bottoms as low as possible. And to me, for my opinion, I think these are the bottoms. I think those are the bottoms right there with all this negative momentum moving to the downside. It's possible we could still keep moving lower, right? We could still go down to 11 cents, maybe. But like I said, who cares? You know, that's not that big of a difference from where you wanted to buy. Maybe don't go all in. Maybe just buy a little bit right now. And then you buy a little bit when it goes back down to 11 cents, which is only 12%. Like I said, I don't care about 12%. So I don't want to miss opportunities. If I buy a little bit right now, cool. If I see start going up a little bit more, cool. I'll buy a little bit more. And then once I start seeing some confirmations, I start seeing the crosses, and I start seeing things are turning around. We're seeing reversal patterns, and it's looking really good. Then boom, I'm going in. I'm going to start leaning in. Be like, okay, we're definitely going to be going up. Okay, you can't ever say anything for certain, but you kind of know where the markets are going to be going. Same thing right here, looking beautiful. I have no issue with that. We have our supports. We have our resistances, what we're going to be taking a look at. So all of these supports, all these resistance, once you can get above 15, 16 cents, on A and KR, you're going to be taking off and it's going to be crazy. It's going to be massive. It's going to be really good. You're probably going to be coming up, and I'm not even joking, to the 2618 over here, 38 cents. And then where's my 4618? What in the garbage is this? Where's my 4618? 4618. That's weird. What color is my 4618? I think it's like orange. I think. I don't know where it went. And then the 4618 after that, okay, that's going to take some time, guys. I'm thinking of probably around like July August is when we're going to be starting to come hit these numbers over here. But and it can happen a lot sooner. You know, you can start pumping. I cannot predict pumps. I cannot predict dumps. I don't know when that's going to happen, but I can look at the charts and give you guys an edge. TA is not the end all be all. It's not like, oh, this is exactly what's going to be happening. But I've seen this a bunch of times. I've been in the TA industry for a long time, and I've seen this stuff over and over and over. And you kind of just get to a point where it's just like, I look over, I'm in a room, and there's money over in the corner. I'm just going to walk over there and pick it up. You know, that's where I take these opportunities with things like this. So yeah, I think once you get above $16, that's it. You're going to be taking off. You're going to be looking really good. $16. 16 cents is going to be the area that you're going to want to try to get back above. Currently, you're sitting at 12 cents for 12.5 cents. I think once you can really get back above this resistance line that we have right here, you're going to be looking really good. You're not too far away from it right now. Get that supports on this support line, boom, right here. And then next stop is going to be up there. And then once you can break through that, boom, you're taking off. And yeah, you're going to be seeing prices like 22 cents, 24 cents, 26, 28, going up to 30 cents, 38 cents. Best believe it. That's where we're going to be going. So not looking too bad. Where are you guys going to be taking your positions? Bresky wants to take a look at GRT. Okay. Yeah, sure. That's fine. Moving up, moving up, moving up. Let's go see. Jump up here. Boom. Right on. Right about chow. Okay, here's GRT. GRT has obviously taken a pretty nasty dump. Okay, we almost came over here and we almost hit that $1 area, which was the breakout target out of this cup and handle that we had back here in December, January. So really big support level that we've hit almost over in this area, and it's really impressive. And I know we're dropping a little bit. So the inverse head and shoulders wasn't validated. It actually was never confirmed. It was just speculation. We were talking about, I think, like right here, where possibly we could get that bounce up. And if we did, then definitely we would have some kind of complex inverse head and shoulders over here. That's being invalidated. We have our right shoulder. It's dropping below the head right there. So that no longer is in effect. So currently right now we are sitting in probably some kind of like descending wedge. No, it's not a descending wedge. What is this? I'm going to say this is more of like a bull flag other than anything. We have a little bit more data to kind of support this up. Yeah, dude, this is a freaking bull flag. I haven't looked at GRT in a minute. It's been a hot minute, but nevertheless, you know, it's a nice bull flag. We've had this huge move to the upside right here, and we've just been bouncing support, resistance. I'm sorry, backwards. Resistance, support, resistance, support. So we're down here at the support area right now, stuck in this channel. These are typically very bullish patterns that we are seeing. Totally normal. I have no problem with it. Yes, I know we were all the way up here at $2.88, almost hitting $3, and we're sitting at $1.24 right now. I get it. I know what you're thinking, but look at the charts. Okay, look at the charts. So we have this negative momentum moving to the upside. It's really beautiful. We're about to get our 12 and 26 day moving average, the cross. And dude, never ever has GRT ever been this low on the oscillators, going down this low. We've never. This is the first time ever that it's ever been this low, and the price is still above $1, and we're at $1.24. To me, that's amazing. That's really good. Plus, like I said, a lot of these charts are going to be looking the same right now. Stochastic RSI sitting below the 20. Okay, geez, I want to go buy more just by looking at this. And then right here on the RSI, you're sitting at the 31 on the RSI. Okay, you've never ever been that low on the RSI ever before. Okay, the last time you were even close to it was over here, and you were at $1.33. Now it's going a little bit lower, guys. When these new coins come out, these new tokens that come out, and they come down and they touch, you know, the 30 on the RSI, the next move after that is always legendary. Not always. Most of the time, they're pretty legendary. I see nothing bearish. I'm not bearish at all about GRT. If anything, these are the times to be picking up some money. That's what I would be doing. It looks beautiful to me. I don't see anything wrong with it. I think once we get the recovery, we're going to be moving back up. Okay, let's pull out a Fibonacci. And actually, I don't even really want to pull out Fibonacci's because they're, you know, but it's just really kind of like targets that we're going to be looking for in the future. So right now we need GRT to get back above $1.30 $1.55. You can see that this was previously resist or support. We broke below it, and there was resistance, broke back above it, and now it was support back here, and now we're below it right now. It's just a matter of time. I don't really have to show you this, guys. It's kind of redundant, but once we get this bounce off, we're going to be coming up, hitting $1.55, then above that $1.80, and then the true test is trying to break out of this current resistance that we have up here, which is going to be about $2. I think once we can get over $2, then we'll be feeling really good. You can see we tried doing it back here and we got denied. We needed more data. I wasn't really sure what structure this was putting in. This is why I had the speculation. Maybe it's an inverse head and shoulders, possibly, but nope, that got invalidated by the right shoulder going lower than the head right there. So no good on that pattern. But we're in a bull flag and we're just waiting. Where are you going to take your positions? If it were me, like, to me, when I see this, I want to go buy. That's straight up. Like, that's so beautiful right there. Variable number 1, variable number 2, variable number 3. Like, you probably aren't going to get GRT lower than this for a while. Actually, if ever you're going to be getting GRT this low. So anyways, if you drop below $1.13, you start going down to $1, you better pray that you bounce off that dollar. I am almost 100% certain that you are not going to be going below that $1. Straight up. I do not think GRT is going to be ever going below $1. And if it does, you better freaking buy it, because that's insane. It might wick down there. You might get really lucky by having a bot fill that order for you. But to say that I'm going to go into Coinbase and go buy it like when it hits $1, no, you'll never be able to do that ever. You're not too far away from it right now. So it's definitely possible. Be looking out for that if it happens. So other than that, those are the levels that we're going to be looking for. A lot of these coins are looking like buys to me right now, guys. I'm really thinking that these are going to be the bottoms. I really do think these are going to be somewhere really close to the bottoms, especially if Bitcoin just starts hovering and staying where it's at right now. You can see the momentum is starting to slow down with the Bitcoin dumps, right? We had, huge candle, boom, big candle to the downside, and then candle, and then now we're kind of just sticking in this area for the past few days. Yeah, it's possible. We could end this candle in the next 55 minutes, and then boom, we take another candle and we go straight down to $42,000. Yeah, that could happen. But you see the shift. Let me just see if I can illustrate this a little bit better for you. Do you see the shift that's happening over here? So we're going down, we're going down, we're going down. Do you see how it's starting to shift a little bit? It's just my opinion. I think we might stop there. We might go a little bit lower. Nobody knows. I don't know. Nobody knows. No one can ever tell you. And if they do, they're lying to you. They are straight up lying to you because they have no idea. Okay, we're going to be moving over to VeChain. I haven't looked at VeChain in a hot second. So let's go see what the chart looks like. Down 6% on the day today. Yep, look at that. My fibs are way off. Wow, we held those lines perfectly. Look at that. Hadn't looked at this in a minute. Held those beautifully. Wow, we have new data. So actually this fib might be obsolete at this point. No, it still works. It still works very well. Look at that. Look at that breakout of the 4618 coming up, coming back down for the retest, and you wicked down, but look at all that buying. And this is on a daily, guys. Okay, this is on a daily. Look at that wick right there on VeChain. Okay, beautiful. How much of a drop did we have? I want to see from this top over here down to the bottom for 53%. I think the drop is over. I really do think the drop, son of a gun. I think the drop is over with this one. And let's take a look. Oh yes, dude, look at that. It's you're creating hidden bullish divergence, really beautiful. Negative momentum moving to the downside. Its price section's moving up. You're sitting below the 20. You're about to get the cross on stochastic RSI. Oh, it's so pretty right now. Plus, you're sitting at a very comfortable 50 on the RSI. I don't think you're going to be going any lower than that just because of the levels that you are at right now. You really like to hold that 50 as support all throughout here. Support, and then resistance, and then support, resistance. So that's very beautiful right there. You can see that that was very good resistance in the past. We still have about, what was it? Almost an hour until this closes over here. But nevertheless, not bad times to be taking a position, adding to your position. These aren't bad times. Yeah, like I said, just like with anything, it could drop more. A lot of these things could drop more, but this is looking really good. This is looking really good right now. Let's go look at price target. Where are we going to be going? What do I want to take? I still like this Fibonacci because it's working really well. Even though we are past the 4618. Look at that. Guys, have you guys ever seen a chart where we're past the 4618 on Fibonacci? Rarely. It's rare. It is very rare. But guys, look at this. That's an insane move. That's crazy for VeChain. So what was it? 34 cents over here. Oh, I'm sorry, 34 cents. 3 cents over here. 700%, guys, since the end of February. So we're talking about 2 months. That's insane, guys. 600% in 2 months is just, it's a lot of money. That's a lot of freaking money. So yeah, I think what we do need to do is we do need to get back above that 21 EMA. I think it is going to be acting as resistance for us until we do get back above it. But nevertheless, that's going to be running pretty flat for a while as we consolidate. We could be putting in some kind of consolidation pattern, right? We definitely know we have our for our swing high down to swing low over here. So if we take a mini, let's do this. Let's just do it for fun, okay? We're gonna go on a short time frame, go to 4 hour, and we're gonna do a Fibonacci right here. Totally viable, totally doable, right there. Okay, so currently sitting above or right at the 2618. That's totally okay. Right there, we need to get above 18 cents. 18.7 is what you're going to be looking for. Let's catch that bounce here at 16 cents, get back above 18 cents, and then after 18 cents, 20 cents is going to be coming in. Okay, that's going to be a hard resistance for us, as we know that has been previous support in the past. You can see that we had resistance way back here, and then once we broke through it, we turned it into support right there. And then even over here, it was supports, and it broke down, and then resistance, and then back up again, and that looks like, you know what I'm talking about. We got back above it and it was support, and then below it, now it's resistance. Once you can get back above 18.7, you have a really good shot of going back up to 20 cents. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when, because right now we're putting in some kind of consolidation pattern. What might that look like? Well, I don't really know, but I do have 3 data points that I can go off of that might show me what it might look like. And this is speculation. Okay, this is strictly speculation. That might be the resistance right there. And we're also looking at support right there. Okay, I know you're looking at that wick, you're like, but hey Leland, that doesn't match up with the wick. I know wicks do that, and that's totally fine. But we're looking at a general, we're looking at a base of like, where is that support going to be? Because if we line that up right there, you can see that it was previously resistance. Okay, resistance, you got above it, support, 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 support. You see that right there? That's why I put that line right there. Everyone does TA different. That's just what I do it. So we still got some time, you know, we got a lot of time until we hit the apex of this triangle. We're talking about May 21st, like about a month, you know, and that very much, that could happen, dude. It could be a month of consolidation over here for VeChain, because I mean, you've had all your high that you hit the other day was not too long ago. You know, it's the 16th of April. So, and the move that you've had from here to the upside is insane, dude. Like you're that's crazy. We're talking about March, from here on March, even from March over here, 600%, like we were talking about, 600%. That's awesome. That's great. If you guys are still here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new and you are enjoying this content. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. So yeah, you could be running in here for a little bit. We're going to be consolidating until we hit the apex, which is going to be about right here within the triangle, which is why I'm saying about May 4th. I was looking at the year, excuse me, May 4th. So Cinco de Mayo. Let's talk about Cinco de Mayo. Cinco for VeChain. Let's see what happens on Cinco de Mayo. Are we going to break out? Are we going to break down? I don't think we're going to break down. If we do break down, we have some badass support below us sitting at the 8-cent area. I know that's like 50% of the way. I don't think it's going to happen. I really don't think that's going to happen, but I do think we are going to get the breakout above, and then we can retest off, and then we can talk about Fibonacci levels of where we're going to be going. Let's see. Cinco de Mayo right here. I think by the latest, we could try to break 20 cents by Cinco de Mayo. I think so. And then if we break above that and we break out of the structure and we can come up to the 618 over here, dude, you're so bullish at that point. When you hit the 618 and you break above and you're in between this territory over here, you're bullish. You're absolutely bullish. Because yeah, it's just impending. It's just impending price action. That's just going to be waiting for you to break out of the 786, test the support, and then you're gone. You're gone after that. That's it. Straight up. So that's about it for VeChain. We have our supports. We have our resistances up above. Like I said, not a bad time to be looking at something if you want to be getting into a coin. You know, a lot of these things right now, guys. This is the time to be buying crypto for sure. Time to be buying crypto. Let's see. We got questions over here. Ethereum hasn't held very strong against this dip. Oh, it has. I was gonna say it has. And DeFi is looking extremely bullish. It's the future, dude. It is the freaking future, man. I'm a huge believer in ETH, dude. Actually, most of my bag is in ETH. I think like I'm up to 65% of my bag is in Ethereum right now. Yeah, it is. Look, Bitcoin's down 3%. Ethereum's up 2.5%. And it's consolidating right now. It's just consolidating. Nothing bearish about it. It's just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Drunken Steamer. What's up, dude? How you doing? Haven't seen you in here before. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Who else we got in here? We got Christopher Miller. How do you guys feel about using stop limit order just slightly above current price? I like the technique. Yeah, never put your orders like where you think it's going to go or where you think the bottom's going to go. You definitely want to go up higher or lower at those points because nice, you put alerts on. That's what's up, David. Leave them on there, dude. Message me in the Telegram or the Discord. Links are down below if you want to come say hi to me. You can come talk to me if you want to. But yeah, that's what were we talking about? I totally forgot. I got sidetracked looking at all these. I forgot. But anyways, let's see. VeChain will resign. Yeah, VeChain's looking really good right now, dude. I don't see anything wrong with it from what we were looking at. Strong, looking good. Nice consolidation, healthy correction. Yeah, there's really, I mean, come on, look at this trend we're on. It's beautiful. It's bullish. I got Joseph. I am here. Greet me, good sir. What? I'm here. Greet me. Yes, your majesty. Welcome to the stream. Welcome in. Sorry. Telegram like ... What? What are you talking about? You don't like Telegram? What's wrong with Telegram? I like Telegram. Great place to meet a bunch of people if you want to talk about crypto or whatever. Why don't you do a TA on ETH every 4 days? I love ETH. Why don't you do TA on ETH every 3 or 4 days? I mean, I feel like I do. At least at the end of my videos or in the live streams, we're doing updates on ETH. The reason why I don't do too much, I don't TA too much on Bitcoin and ETH because why? What's the point? We know where we're going to be going. I'll do a little bit of TA here and there, but who cares? Like, it's bullish. Well, I don't need to know like, oh, we're going to like, I'll do TA on it if I obviously see a structure and I'm like, okay, yeah, we're going to be going up here. But I don't really do too much TA on Bitcoin or ETH because we kind of already know where they're going to be going. I want to see what the other coins are going to be doing that are following Bitcoin and ETH, so I can kind of gauge, like, I already know the feel a bit in ETH. Where are these altcoins going to go? What's the project about? What's its use case? What's its market cap? All that kind of stuff. But I mean, here's ETH right now. It looks great. I don't know what, we're above the golden mean ratio. We haven't had too many dumps. We're consolidating right now. It's in a beautiful consolidation pattern. Like, I don't really know how. I mean, okay, here's a support line. Here's a resist. I don't know. Is that a parallel channel? It might be in a parallel channel right now. It's possible, maybe. I don't know. Who cares? I don't care. It's because we're moving up, dude. The one thing that I'll do TA on is this: the Bitcoin to Ethereum pair. That's it. Because that's going to tell me where ETH is going to be going. And if you guys have been watching my stream, you already know 18% of one ETH is going to be, 18% ETH is going to be worth 18% of one Bitcoin one day. And that's just the breakout target of where we're going to be going. Okay. Everything else, ETH to USDT or USD pair. I like looking at this. That's all I care about. ETH's going up. That's it. Straight up. Where'd I leave off? I'm here. Greet me, good sir. Dude, you're funny. You're funny. We got, let's see. What else we got in here? K. I'm here too. Greet me. Greet me good. Good ever morning. I don't know what they say. What's like the good evening. Good day to you, sir. K. Welcome to the live stream where we do live streams of fucking PAs of coins and random. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm gonna stop. I'm really sorry for that. I feel I'm terrible. David Collins, everyone's putting like crying and laughing emotions. Nasos, what's up? You said on your previous videos because Bitcoin will drop around 40%. Yeah, it's possible. That's where I mean, that's what we did last bull run. You know, the biggest drop that we had was 40%. I'm not worried about the dip. I hope the altcoins will recover. Yeah, of course they are, dude. Of course they're going to recover. I mean, look at Bitcoin dominance, dude. It's been dropping like crazy. Where do you think all that money's going? No, the people aren't selling it. I can promise you that right now. They're not selling it for USD and going out and spending it. Some people might be, some of the stupid people. But that's when, look, dude, look at this. Like, come on, dude, Bitcoin dominance is dropping and it's been hitting all of our levels so perfectly. You know, that's why I love TA. This is what TA is for. But look, I drew these lines a long time ago and look how well they're being respected. I haven't moved these. These are all the same. I haven't touched them. They're being respected. Okay. You break below 50% and you're going down to 44% after that, you know? And that's really when the alt season is going to be coming up. After you break 44%, then you're going to 39%. But keep in mind, with Bitcoin dominance, every time we've gotten to this level, we have had a pretty nice bounce to the upside, okay? You can see that back over here in June of 2017. We came down, we hit these levels, then boom, we went straight up to like 67%. Then you can see that was resistance right there. Resistance turned it into support. And then over here, when we came and we were like consolidating within these levels, boom, we went straight up. Then we went up to 73%, almost one of the highest. The recent highest that we had was when Bitcoin hit $42,000. And that's when most people are started putting their money into crypto. And that's where it was. And that's when we hit, what was it, like 73, 74% on the Bitcoin dominance. And now we're sitting at 51%, okay? That doesn't mean the price of Bitcoin's going down. That just means the money in Bitcoin is shifting out. This is what you're seeing right now. You're seeing a bunch of small time fries, right? People like you and me, unless you're a millionaire or a billionaire, you're a giant whale. I guarantee you're not watching my stream right now. If you have millions of dollars in Bitcoin, I guarantee it. Unless you are, and then you're just a freaking idiot. But you have all of the dumb people, all of the retail sellers who are selling their Bitcoin. People are scared. They want to take profits. They don't, whatever. And they're shifting it over into other coins. And this is why we're seeing these huge pops with other coins. It's exactly what's happening right now. Okay. But keep in mind, as the retail starts selling all their coins, guess who's going to be coming in and who's going to be buying it up? Corporations, institutions. They're doing it slowly. And they're so happy that Bitcoin has dropped because, I mean, really, they were kind of late in the game. And now we're taking a dip and they're going to be taking advantage of this. But it's not happening quite yet because it's not quite time to buy. They don't think the dip's over. I don't think the dip's over. So I bet we see some kind of bounce within this area, within Bitcoin dominance. Yeah, we could come down here. Maybe. We'll see. I don't want to say for sure. There's a lot of things that I'm like, oh yeah, going to happen for sure. That I don't know. I truly just do not know. I don't know if it's going to break down, but if it holds and Bitcoin gets that resumption back up, poof, man, it's going to be crazy. It's going to be beautiful. Anyways, that's Bitcoin dominance for you for a little bit. Really appreciate all your work. To be honest, didn't mean to sidetrack you. No, you're fine. There's no sidetracking. We don't have any coins right now. No one's requested a coin. I mean, that's okay. We got, we've been in here for an hour and 20 minutes already. We got 73 people watching. Thank you. Thank you for coming in. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe, hit that bell. Join the Discord, join the Telegram if you want to talk to me, or if you want to talk to just a bunch of like-minded people. Everyone's really cool in there, by the way. I've only had to ban like a few people just because they were being super negative and like saying racist stuff. Yeah, that stuff's not tolerated. Like, you're out of there. Other than that, everyone gets along. Everyone's really nice. Everyone's in the same boat you are over there, and you can just talk to like-minded people. And that's what I love about this community is people who love crypto, you can go talk to. You want to come talk to me? Ask me about some TAs? Come talk to me. You want a personal TA? I do that too. Let me know. You want a personal TA? I'll give you a personal TA. It's a little bit, it's a little bit more expensive than when we do the live streams, but that's because I'm giving you individual time just for you. And I'm spending my time doing that. So let's see. Bitcoin is alt right nowadays. Is the alt nowadays? I mean, I don't know what you mean by that. Bitcoin is Bitcoin. It's the first coin ever. Altcoins are alternative coins that are not Bitcoin. So that doesn't make any sense to me. How do you do, sir? What are people coming in here? How do you do? Indubitably, David Collins. I'm doing fantastic today. How are you? Let's get a cup of tea. Dip, dip, dip. Christopher Miller, New York City. What's up, dude? Mobile Buyers Network Bonfire. Bun? Question mark. Christopher Miller, if Bitcoin goes parabolic, does a 2 to 3x, will that make all the other coins go wild or what? Yes, that will. If Bitcoin goes 2 or 3x and we're talking about $150,000, $200,000, you can guarantee that the altcoins are going to be pumping with it. Now, you might have a scenario where a bunch of people are like, holy crap, Bitcoin's going up like crazy. I'm going to sell my shit coins so that I can go buy Bitcoin so I can take advantage. And that might happen. That might happen. So be careful with that too. So they can either pump or they can dump. It just really kind of depends on the news, what's happening within that time. But typically, when Bitcoin goes up, you're going to see a lot of other things going up too. Okay, people are going to start buying, and Bitcoin's not going down. No one's worried about a dump, and you'll see altcoins pumping as well. When you start seeing altcoins going up is when we start breaking Bitcoin dominance resistance and supports, right? Or just supports. So if we break, like I said before, that 50% on this Bitcoin dominance, then yeah, money's going to be flowing out. Tons of money, millions, billions of dollars are going to be moving into altcoins, and that's going to take it down to 44%. That's very possible. We definitely have seen it before. I mean, 35% was the lowest that we saw Bitcoin dominance go back in 2017 bull run when the market was crashing. Could happen. You never know. See, I'm sure you got a couple of whales watching. Yeah, I don't care about the whales. They can manipulate the market all they want. Thank you for the live, brother. No, Michael Stone. Thank you. Thank you, sir. We got Carl R. What? How much for personal TA? It's only $20. It's only $20. I don't charge a lot. This isn't my mainstream of income. Let's be honest. Like I have other passive incomes that I do. I do this to update. Holy crap, my whole mic thing just popped out. What? I gotta tighten that up. That's never happened on live before. I made it too loose the other day because I wanted for it to swivel better. We're gonna tighten it up. There we go. What was I saying? Yeah, it's only $20. I charge 10 here, which I think in the future I'm gonna start charging 20 on here. Maybe. I don't know. I want people to be able to come in and see charts and stuff, but like there's times when I'm doing live streams, like right now this is one of the times, but there's times when I'm doing live streams and it's just like so many requests are coming through. Like I'll get like 17 requests and I'm just like it's so hard to do all these requests and spend at least a minimum of 10 minutes on each one. Like it's just impossible. So I think like when they start picking up and they start like there's way too many, I'm gonna have it's really strictly for just controlling like the flow that's coming in. It's not because I want the more money. I'm just gonna double it to go to $20 so that there's not as many because sometimes I can't do this by myself. I have to get a moderator in here and they have to record the coins and tell me like which coin's next and stuff like that. So when we start getting to that point, I'm definitely gonna start, because $10, dude, $10, like it's so cheap. Like if you guys are in crypto and you're investing in crypto, $10 is nothing. It's really nothing. And I don't think it's that much. I really don't. Let's see. Who else we got over here? We have Justin Cornwell. We got OXT was my golden goose, but isn't recovering with the pack. What the F? What do you mean the pack? All of these are on their own, dude. There's no pack unless it's DeFi and ETH or something that's directly correlated with the other token or coin, but this is not a pack. Like one coin will do really good and other coins will do really crappy. Like, okay, let's look today. We have ARB that's up 13%. And then you got coins like NIM that are down 8%. So there's no pack. There's like definitely no pack that I'm seeing in here. UMA's up 14% today. What else we got? Yeah. Just gotta wait for things to start moving again. Yeah, I mean, we're gonna recover, right? ETH will be 4K by June, easy. May, June, yeah, maybe, probably. It wouldn't surprise me. That would not surprise me whatsoever. I have 2% Bitcoin and 83% ETH. Why I said Bitcoin is my alt. Oh, got you. Okay, got you. Okay, yeah, impressive portfolio, dude. That's what I would be moving towards too. A lot more ETH. A lot more ETH. ETH is gonna explode. Gotta wait for wait, I missed someone. Here. Nope, we read them all. What are your thoughts on GRT when levitates Sir Leland? Sir Leland. When I think GRT is gonna be going back up, dude, that's like asking me when oh God, what's her name? Kylie Jenner is going to be irrelevant. I don't know, dude. I hope soon. you know. I think GRT, let's see. These are some of the lowest levels that we've hit like ever, bro. Especially on the RSI, especially on the oscillators. It's just a matter of time, my guy. You got to be patient. You have to understand, and I sounded like Christopher Walken there for a second. You have to be patient with these coins. They're gonna be moving up. I mean, GRT has moved up over 1,000%, you know, over the course of maybe a few weeks or so, but it's a terrible impression. I'm sorry you have to listen to this. This is garbage. But you are moving sideways, and you could be having, you know, this consolidation period that happened. I'm gonna just stop right there. The consolidation period happened for quite some time, you know, before we start moving to the upside. But don't forget, we did move 1,000% to the upside not that long ago at the beginning of this year. Okay, it's only April. It is only April. We've gone up 1,000%. Most stock traders would be happy to do 50% in their portfolio for the entire year. So let's not be greedy, okay? I would hope to get 5% a week in trading when I was doing stocks. That's the, like, if I could do 5% a week, beautiful. I was good. So let's not get too spoiled. You know, I hear people saying it's not pumping, I'm not making any money. And I'm like, bro, if it pumped 20%, you better be happy as shit. Like, you better be happy, because really that's, yeah. Anyways, we're up 1,000%, but look what we're doing, right? We popped up, boom. It's not like we've taken a huge dip down and we're going back up and we're coming back. You know what I mean? Like, pretty stable. We've gone up and we're moving sideways. We're moving side, dude. There's nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. You just got to be patient. I'm thinking we're gonna get a bounce right here. Yeah. If we drop that and we break that resistance, then probably not. Okay, we'll be changing our tone. We'll be talking a little bit more, but we're still within the realm, my friend. It's still looking pretty good, you know. I think we get the bounce right here, and I think we can start moving back up towards that $2 area pretty soon. Yeah, another 75 cents to go. Break out of that, boom, we take off. But I mean, it's just patience, right? You know, it's like buy your stuff and just go, leave it alone. Don't talk to it. Leave it. Don't look at it. Go away for 5 years, bro. You know, I mean, unless you're like me and you just want to keep trading and make more money. But if you're like just one of those people who don't really care and you just want to get into crypto and just leave it there, probably the best choice to do. Buy it, leave it, come back in 5 years. Oh, Justin, like the Christopher Walken impression. More cowbell. I need more cowbell. The only prescription. Michael Stone just gonna wait for. Where did I leave off? House Stark. Oh, what is this, like Game of Thrones reference? Much love, friend. Thank you for all that you do. Definitely buy zones right now. Yes, sir. Absolutely too easy. We've seen so many times in the past. Yep, did, and I've always regretted not buying at these levels before I started trading. I'm hungover. My bad. What? I'm hungover. You're fine, dude. It's cool. We all have those days. It's the weekend. Do what you want. What software are you using to do your TA? This is called TradingView. It's free. My version is not free though. I use TradingView Pro Plus or something like that. It's like $300-$500 a year or something like that. I don't know. But I could do a lot more on it. A lot more indicators I can use. There's certain indicators that you can't get. Like, you can't get the pi cycle for free on TradingView. Like, if you want to take a look at the pi cycle, which kind of irrelevant now because it was telling us that our top is right here, and I call bull. I call bull on you, but we'll see. I could be wrong, right? Just that could be the top. Oh my God, bull runs over and then dump. I don't know if you guys saw that though. I talked about that the other day. That's not the pi cycle top. Like, come on, bro. Like, you're ridiculous. I don't believe in this. I just don't. But yeah, there's indicators like that you can get. There's you can set like I can set like a bunch of alerts. Like, let's set one for $80,000 for Bitcoin for when that happens. Not if, it's when. When that happens, Bitcoin will go hit, and then my alert will go off. There's just a bunch of other stuff too that are nice little perks and stuff. See, you want to look at Monero, Max? I like me some Monero. Carl R, what exchange do you use? Mainly Leland. Cool if you don't want to say. No, dude, everything. I'm not joking. I have like almost every single freaking exchange you can think of. I have Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase, Gemini, I don't know, a bunch of, you should have a bunch of them. Because if you want to go sell your stuff, you're going to need to, like, if one crashes or there's a bunch of them down, but you got that one exchange that's up and you want to sell like right then and there, dude, you better have like 6 exchanges that you were verified on that you can transfer funds into and you can sell at any point. Because if you just have one exchange and you try selling when everyone else is selling, it's going to get crashed. The price is going to dump and you're not going to make much money. Just trust me, get multiple exchanges for sure. But mainly, I mean, the main ones that I really use are, I could use my Binance account with a VPN. Now, I'm not saying that I do that, but you could do that if you wanted to. You get a lot of coins over there. Get a lot of different coins. Cowbell. I keep reading that one. What's up for what else we got here? Where do you think Cardano will go this late summer? Cardano? I don't know, probably like $10, dude. GRT, we have JA Productions. Welcome, question mark. Yeah, we went over GRT. We had a request on it. It was 2 coins ago. You're gonna have to rewind. Go backwards. Actually, go backwards. I use free version, but it's not easy to use fib. Yeah, it is. It's super easy to use a fib. What you talking about, man? All you gotta do, you come over to your chart. Let's get a random one that I don't have a fib on. And here's GRT. All you gotta do, Alt F. That's it. You hit Alt F, click and drag. Swing high, swing low. Not hard. Set yours up to look like mine. You know, if you want yours to look like mine, then take a screenshot right now. Okay, I'll leave it open for you so you can do that. Okay. Put it all my levels. You'll have to double click. And then you'll have to come in here, set what colors you want. You can use my colors too. I don't care. Doesn't matter. Set in all these levels that I have set. Take a screenshot. I'm just recording right now, so you can pause this whenever you want. And then put in all these levels. And then that's all it is. Alt F, swing high, swing low. That's it. Simple, simple. There you go, Jeremy. Justin Cornwell, F Binance this week when it crashes. It might, but that's all the exchanges, dude. They all crash when things are going on. Like when something dumps, something pumps, they crash. There's just an overabundance of transactions. People are trying to buy, people are trying to sell. Crashes the whole system. We have David. There's a new project that just came out. It's called Jigstack. That sounds really great, but not a lot of info that I can find. Can you please give me your opinion? I don't know, dude. I'm sorry, David. I don't know, dude. Thousands of coins come out all the time. I don't know every single one of them. I've never looked at Jigstack. I guarantee it's not on TradingView. And if it's not on TradingView, we can't do anything about it, man. Can't really do much. But anyways, guys, we're going to start slowing down this stream as we are about an hour and 35 minutes into it. I don't want to be on here too long. I'm going to be looking to get off here pretty soon. If you guys have any more questions, let me know. We can talk about different coins if you want. Probably no more contributions. I know we haven't got one. Not that I'm expecting one, but if it were to happen, I'm probably not going to do it. We'll save it for tomorrow or something like that. So what you think about Ren, man? I think Ren is a really low market cap coin that has a potential of blowing up because it's so small in market cap. That's what I think. It's like what, 40? It's like on top coins, like it's on the 40th on Coinbase or whatever with a super low market cap. What is it actually? Let's go look. Let me log into my Coinbase real quick. Go over to prices. Dang, I haven't looked at my Coinbase profile in a minute. Looking good. Where is it? Ren is oh look, wait a minute. When did this is why people were requesting this coin the other day. There's a new coin on Coinbase. What the heck? Dude, that market cap is stupid low. Hold on. I gotta check this out real quick. Let's see the one on Coinbase actually. No, that's Euro. USD. Wow. Oh yeah. Oh, this is so new right now. Oh my God, it's so new. That's why. It's $127 million market cap. It's so brand new. It's not even funny. Dang. Can't really chart this. I have no idea what's going on. There's no way to chart it. It's just like one of those things like buy it, hope it goes up, pray it goes up. But it's at $33. Why would you start a new coin out at $33? Why wouldn't you just put it at cents? Doesn't make any sense. Okay, we were looking at Ren. We were looking for Ren. Ren. Okay, it's not 40. It moved up. It's at 37. So it's got $742 million market cap. That's still really low. Okay, that's below $1 billion. Anything below $1 billion is pretty low. Especially the Ample Fourth Governance token on Binance. I mean, I'm sorry, on Coinbase, and it's 127 mil. That's so low, and it's down 13% today. Dude, that might be one of those like cheap coins that could just blow up like crazy. Notice that all the coins that I talk about are low market caps because they have the most potential of pumping. Bamp it. What else do we got on here? Yeah, that's all I wanted to look for. I don't have to look for anything else. Nice. Looking good. All right, guys. We're going to start slowing this stream down. I see that people are starting to check out, and that's about the time that we start moving on and start doing stuff. I hope you guys are having a good day today. Hope everyone's having a beautiful Sunday. It's beautiful outside. Go outside, get some fresh air. Stop looking at your screen. Stop checking the prices. They're not going to be moving anytime soon. You can probably take a week off and stop looking at it. I know you guys have issues with it because I used to have issues with checking my phone all the time. Stop it. Get some help. What was that? The Michael Jackson meme or whatever? Stop it. Get some help. Like, I know it's harder. It's easier to say than do. But yeah, guys, hope you guys are having a great weekend. Probably gonna be going, what's tomorrow? Monday? Yeah, probably be going again live again tomorrow. I'm probably gonna make a video about GRT tomorrow as well for the Monday because it could be interesting. Tomorrow could be really interesting for us. We do have 12 minutes until the weekly candle closes, but that's okay. We're gonna start signing off here. Let's read some more questions, then we'll take off. Can you go back putting the symbols over? Wait, Paul, can you go back to putting symbols on top corner? Hard to see which coin you're... Where did it go? Oh, well, that's crap. Hold on. Where is it? Oh, that's lame. Yeah, no, I didn't even know that it was gone. What the heck? Okay. I had... Wait, what? I don't know where it went. That's insane. I thought it was up there. Sorry, guys. I'll have to add that for next time. Yeah, I'll have to add that for next time. I don't know why it was up. It's not up there. Crazy. Yeah, I'm sorry, dude. Definitely, I'll definitely add the ticker symbol to the top again. How do you get your Coinbase Pro desktop you're using? How do you get your Coinbase Pro desktop you're using? I'm not using Coinbase Pro desktop. I mean, you can. It's not that hard. You just go to Coinbase Pro. It's the same login as everything else. Today has been great. Good. Glad it's been really good for you. Michael Jordan meme. Okay, can you check Ren USD Binance chart? There's a glitch or something. You'll understand what I mean in a second. I mean, yeah, I guess I can, dude. But we're gonna be getting off here pretty soon. Did you say Binance USDT? USDT. Binance USDT. Oh yeah, no, totally. That's just a glitch, maybe a scam wick. That was on Binance, but the price had completely crashed. Imagine thinking if that was an actual crash and then selling. Oh man, that would suck. That would suck really bad. Yeah, it's basically a crash. It's just a scam wick. It's just I don't think it didn't happen. It's just on their exchange or whatever that happened. You ignore those. Just ignore those. Don't worry about those. But anyways, the app you're using, this is TradingView, not Coinbase. Yeah, this is TradingView. All right, guys, that's gonna be about it for me today. I really appreciate everyone that has come by today. Bruh. Thank you so much for all the contributions that you guys have made. You guys are amazing. We're gonna be back here tomorrow, and we're going to be here 4 o'clock Mountain Standard Time. If you guys want to come check out the stream, we'll be back. Check it out. Seacrest signing out. No, Leland. My name's Leland. Thank you guys for coming in. Remember, it's all about the TA. It says it on the back of the hoodie. If you guys want one, the link's down below. You can get hoodies, get shirts, coffee, or whatever the hell you guys want. But come join the Telegram. Come join the Discord. Links are down below. If you want to buy my book, it's on Amazon and Barnes & Noble's. Links are down below for that too. Really cheap. You want to start learning? Come watch, read my book, come hang out with me. You can learn how to trade like me. You can start making money like me. And it just might be the next best thing. I'm Slim Shady. I'm just joking. Anyways, leave it here. I'm leaving. I'm going. I'm buying. Okay, bye, guys. Love you. See you later. Remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Bye, have a great time.